A regular pentagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis 60 mm is mounting centrally over a cylindrical block of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick. So draw the isometric projection of the combination of solids. So here I will be drawing a top view, the orthographic view of this pentagon and then a circle. First I will be constructing a pentagon of dimension 30 mm. So draw a vertical line of 30 mm. So take protractor and mark for 72 degree. You all know how to construct the pentagon with the angle of 72 degree. Okay, draw a line of length 30 mm passing through that angle point. Okay, so here also you need to mark for 72 degree and draw a line of length passing through that angle point, a length of 30 mm. Okay, so now you take compass, measure 30 mm and cut the arc. Okay, so now you join with the help of a scale, straight line you draw connecting it. So this completes the pentagon dimension 30. Okay, so now to find out the center of this, I'll be drawing first I'll be drawing middle points to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, at least I will draw 3 perpendicular bisectors marking the middle points. Okay, so this is how you have to draw the perpendicular bisector to find out the center of the pentagon. So here I have drawn 2, so I need one more. Okay, one more. So mark the middle point. Okay, so 30 means exactly you need to mark for 15 mm here. Okay, so okay, after constructing it, so show the dimensions. So it is having a dimension of 30 mm. Okay, now we should construct a box for this, because we will be constructing using box method in the isometric. Okay, that's why we need to construct the boxes here, or the extremities of this pentagon we will be drawing horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, so that we can able to construct a box for the extremities of this pentagon, so that within this we will get a rectangular box here for this pentagon. Okay, we should construct it. Okay, you can measure the dimension and show it. Okay, it is around 49 mm we get here. Okay, the middle point of that will be 24.5, and this is we getting around 45 mm. Okay, and this one also we should measure. This is we are getting around 28 mm we get here. Okay, the total length we get, it is 45. We should measure these lengths because so it will be helpful when we construct this pentagon. So because it is in polygon, So that's why we should have all these lengths. If we measured these lengths, okay, box dimensions and this endpoints length, so it will be easy for us to construct it. Okay, so it is having a length of 45 mm. We will show it. Okay, now from the center of that we will be constructing a, here it is a cylinder block, means it will be a circle. So the diameter given 80 mm, so we will be considering a radius of 40 mm here. Okay, then we construct a circle here. So that means it is having a box dimension of 80. We no need to see, but we can show only the dimension. So we will show the dimension on one side. So the box dimension of this cylindrical block, it will be 80 mm. Okay, now we need to construct the isometric of it. So you can see we have the, first we need to construct a box of 80 by 80, that is 8 by 8 box. First I will draw a reference line. Okay, then we'll take a reference point. From that reference point, okay, I'll be counting 8 boxes. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This side also I'll construct the same thing, 4 5 7 8. Okay, so construct the box first. So here it is a cylinder, means we should construct the ellipse here. We should construct the ellipse here, 2 ellipse at a height of 25 mm, because it is having a thickness of 25. So the height we should consider, that is 2.5 box. 1 2 2.5. Okay, again same thing we should do it for all these extremities, 2.5. Again 1 2 2.5. 1 2 2.5. Okay, so here also we should construct another box of 80, that is 8 by 8 box, 80 mm, 80 by 80 mm. So we should join these points which we have taken. Okay, so now we got the box again here. So now we should mark the middle point of this box. So it is 80, means exactly at 4 boxes. Count it perfectly, 1 2 3 4. Then 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. Same thing here also, 1 2 3 4. Okay, count again, 1 2 3 4. So mark it properly. Now you draw the lines from the corner of the point to the opposite middle point. Here we are following 4 arc by center method to construct the ellipse. You all know how to construct it. Okay, 4 arc by center method. Okay, then in the top box also we should do the same thing. Okay, now use compass to measure these lengths and cut the arc. Okay, measure the length, any one length. You can construct these arcs same way from the other end. Okay, join it properly. And then from that reference point, we construct part of the ellipse. Okay, the same way we should do it for the top box also. Okay, from that reference point. Okay, measure the length and cut the arcs to construct the ellipse here. Okay, now you draw the diagonals for the bottom box and the top box. The straight line you can join, connect. Okay, for this point also you can do it. Okay, now we can join these extremities with the vertical line here and here also. Okay, so now we have to use the subtraction of box method. Okay, so one side we have 80, one side we have 45. 80 minus 45, it is 35. 35 divided by 2 means 17.5. And the other side we have 80 minus 49. 80 minus 49 means 31. 31 divided by 2, we have 15.5. So that means on the one side we should mark 17.5 on the other side of the line, and the other box side we should mark 15.5. It is almost around 15 only. So that's what the thing I'm going to do it on the top box. So on the top box I should mention, okay, you can see here the top box we should mention one is 15, one is 17.5. You can mention it. So first I'll be mentioning 17.5, from this side also 17.5, there also I should mention 17.5, and here also 17.5. Now on the other side we should mention 15, 1.5 we should mention, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5. Okay, so now we'll draw the lines connecting these points. Okay, and join these reference points also with the straight thin lines, because we will get a box here, for we'll get a rectangular box for this pentagonal prism. Okay, now we need to find out that, and we should dark it so that it will be easy for us to construct the pentagon within that rectangular box. Okay, box of 45 by 49 we get it here. Okay, now you can see we should we have already measured the box in the pentagon. We should use those point lengths such as 9, 28 and all. I'll be marking 9 here, you can see on the either side, and then I'll be marking the middle point, that is 24.5. okay, and then I'll try to join. Still I need to mark 28 here, So 28 I'll be marking. So this is where I'll get 28 here. Okay, here and here. Okay, and then I'll join these points to get the pentagon here. Okay, so by joining all these points we get a pentagon here. Okay, so from these pentagon extremities exactly vertically upward we should move at a height of 60 mm, that is 6 boxes. Therein also we need to construct another pentagon. Okay, another pentagon. So from this extremities point, so using scale we can count the boxes here. Okay, I can count it. You just I'll be using the help of the scale here, that's it. But I'll be counting the boxes only here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that is your reference point. Okay, draw vertical line because it is a prism. Same way for this 1 2 3 4 5 6, draw a line. Okay, same way here also. Why I'm using scale means it will be helping to draw a straight line. 1 2 3 4 5 6, can join. Okay, the same way here also can do it, can count 1 2 3 4 5 6, can join here. Okay, and then here also we can do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6, can join. Okay, now we get a pentagon above it, so you can see that at a height of 60, so we should connect it. Okay, we should connect it to get the pentagon here. So you can see, so that completes the problem. You can see that the subtraction of the things we have done here. Problem, that is regular pentagonal prism of base heads 30 mm and axis 60 mm is mounted centrally over a cylindrical block of 80 mm dia and 20 mm thickness. So first we are going to construct this cylindrical block, and then above it we are going to place this pentagonal prism. Okay, so here in first we need to construct the orthographic of the pentagon. As we discussed, if it is a triangle, pentagon or hexagon, for that we have to draw the orthographic. So because we require a box dimensions, so without constructing orthographic, we cannot able to draw in the isometric. So that's why if it is a pentagon or hexagon or a triangle, we need to draw the orthographic, and then we have to construct the box to get the dimensions of the boxes. Okay, so first I'm going to construct this cylindrical block here. So cylindrical block of dimension 80. So 80 angle 30, again 80 angle 50, angle 10. So we have to join, and here we have to go for 4 arc by center method. So join the middle points again from this corner, take middle point again, middle point. Now we have to draw the arc here using arc by center. Again from this corner end, taking this distance from this end. Again from taking this distance, we have to draw arc. Okay, So now, so it is having a thickness of 25 mm. So from the center, so we are going to draw a diagonal line here. Okay, from this middle point, we consider a height of 25. Then we are going to select this. Okay, creates a copy of it from the center, exactly from the center. We are going to place it. So we have to create a copy of it. Okay, before moving it, create a copy, and then so like this you can do, and then you can delete this. So you can draw vertically downward line from this end. Exactly. Side of 25. So now we are going to select it. Okay, create a copy, select from the end point, place it. Now draw. So like this. So the cone it is done. Now we have to construct this pentagon. So pentagon having dimensions of 48.54 and 46.17. So we have to go for subtraction method here. So we can select arc. So that is we need to cut arc here. The distance of 80 minus 46.17 divided by 2. So we need to subtract here. So I can write here. So one end we have 80 minus 46.17. So it is equal to, so for calculator. So 80 minus 46.17 is equal to 33.83. You get, okay. So you can type here 33.83 divided by 2. So divided by 2. So the answer is 16.91, around 17. We can make it approximately. So 17. Another length we have 80 minus 48.54 48.54. So 80 minus 48.54 is equal to, so here getting 31.46. 31.46. 6 again divided by 2. It is around 15.73 means it is exactly equal to 16. So the one side you have to cut at 17 and the other side at 16. So cut 17. Then we have to cut at 16. Join this. We are getting. This end we have 46.14. Again we have to cut the arcs. Okay. From this end, go for arc base center. Enter. 24.47. Okay. And this end 28.53. So from this end it is 28.53. Okay. So it is done. Now from the center, I need to draw an axis for 60. So I'll take the point. This is for 60. Select point. Place it. So I'm going to draw vertical edges here. We have this box has a thin line on this line also. So now you select everything. So scale in here I can convert 0.816. That's the problem.